Hi everyone, you're welcome to DBush Studios, and in today's vocal lessons we're going to consider the vowel sounds, which includes the A, E, O, U. And here with me is
Temilade.
Alright, so we're going to start with the sound. Are you ready? Go.
Yes, ready.
Keep going. Keep going. Here's the notes, let's go. Great job. So let's move on to the A sound. Are you ready? Go.
I'm very ready.
Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Great job. Keep going. Okay, let's move on to the E sound. Are you ready? One, two, go. Increase your volume. Are you ready?
Yes, very ready.
1, 2, go. Keep going. Make it smooth. Just keep going. Keep going downward. Keep going downward. Keep going Keep going. Keep going. If you've done this successfully, then great job. See you in my next class.